Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPG version of the 2-pillow Flatlay mockup in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we're going to click on this Pixlr X Quick and Easy Design Start a Design Project button, and then click on Open Image, and find the JPG mockup off the computer. It'll ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so I'll just click Original and then click Apply. And then next, these handy icons on the left hand side, you want to click on the one that looks like a square with some horizontal lines that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click on Add Media, Browse Your Own Files, and find your design off the computer. And it might be a bit big, so just click and drag any one of the 4 corners to size the design down. You can also size it bigger by dragging out. When you've got it about the right size, just click on it and drag it into place. If you want to rotate it, you can kind of click on this little circle at the top and just dragging it to the left rotates it counterclockwise, and the right rotates it clockwise. And you'll see it has a little bit of a white background around it. We can actually get rid of that by changing the blend mode. So we'll click on the layer with the design, and then click on this 3-dot icon over the layer thumbnail in the Layers panel. And that's going to open up the layer menu, and underneath blend mode where it says none, we want to change that to multiply, and then it'll knock the white out for us. We're probably going to want to duplicate this design, so then just click the plus sign icon at the bottom of this layer menu. And then we'll just click and drag our duplicate copy over to the other pillow. I'll click the X to close the layer menu. And then we'll click on the little circle. And when we've clicked on this and we see the 4 squares in the circle at the top, we'll click on the circle and just drag it to the right to rotate it clockwise. And that's all there is to adding your design to the JPG version of the 2-pillow Flatlay mockup in Pixlr. And now you just need to save it, so click the Save button. And if you're going to use this as a thumbnail on a website like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPG. So we'll make sure JPG selected, and we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And it'll just ask you where you want to save it. And then we'll click Save. And if you wanted a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here again, click the Save button, and then this time click on PXC and click Save As and choose where you want to save it. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com.